I've just found some very important intel. What I'm about to say might possibly save America. Listen closely, I will only say this once. I'm about to expose 3 very important Illuminati identities. Carlos, Abdul, and Preston. Alright, I'm gonna start. What do all 3 of them have in common? They're IB students. What does IB stand for? International Baccalaureate. Now what else is international? Math is international. If we take the number of letters in Carlos and Abdul, we get 5 and 6. Now if we put those onto a triangle, we get the side lengths 5 and 6. Now what is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is the square root of 61, which approximately equals 7.81. Now keep that in mind. Now what else is international? Music is international. ASAP Ferg Shabber Ranks is international. Within their lyrics it says 8 gold rings and 1 gold tooth, 7.81. Does that ring a bell? That's right. 8 gold rings and 1 gold tooth. 7 is the number of letters in the word Preston. 7.81. Now what does 8 gold rings have to do with anything? That's right. It has to do with the 5 golden rings from the 12 Days of Christmas song. 8 and 5. What does 8 minus 5 equal? 3. Now if we take that 3 and subtract it from 12, we get 9. Now how many reindeers are in Santa's sleigh? 9. There's 9 reindeers. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Now what is the significance of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? Is that he has a red nose. And also because the story explores the theme of accepting people even if they're born strange. But it doesn't end there. So what is the significance of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? It's that he has a red nose. Red nose, more like red cheeks. Why do people have red cheeks? Because they're blushing. And when do people blush? When it's Valentine's Day. Now, keep that in mind. What else does the color red symbolize? In The Handmaid's Tale by Margaret Atwood, red symbolizes fertility. Valentine's Day is in February, which also the month of love. Fertility, the month of love. The month of love is in February. Now, 2 other things. But what does February mean? If you haven't noticed, 2 of our 3 suspects have birthdays in February. See, what's interesting is that Abdul's birthday is February 22nd, and also Preston's birthday is February 18th. But Carlos's, for whatever reason, is in June 21st. Now, if we convert those birthdays into coordinates, we have 2/18, which is Preston's birthday. Then we have 2/22, which is Abdul's birthday, and then we have the surprising 6/21, which is Carlos's birthday. Now, if we put these points on a graph, we get approximately where Iraq is, where South Korea is, or where Mexico is. This is where Carlos is from, this is where Preston is from, and this is where Abdul's from. Doesn't this look a little bit strange to you? Now that we successfully drew out the triangle proving that they're Illuminati, what is their purpose? But what's missing from the triangle? Of course, it's the eye, the Illuminati eye. How many eyes do people have? We have 2 eyes. Not only that, we are blinded by what the Illuminati is aiming for. That's -2. That's our x-coordinate. -2 and what else? Now, if we remember back, there are 12 days of Christmas. The last day of Christmas is the 25th of December. That's our last coordinate, -225. That's the next coordinate and the next target for the Illuminati. -225, where is that on our graph? It's right about here. Now, what does that point correspond with? That is the old America. That's their next target, America. We have the triangle, but where's the eye? That is the next clue. There are actually 4 members. Now, if we take the coordinates of the center of the eye, where does that put us? That's right, China. It is now time to reveal the 4th member. Given all the clues I've said so far, this guy is an IB, listens to ASAP Ferg, likes math, has a birthday in February, and is Chinese. It's time to open your eyes, America.